And it doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be expensive. You just need to create 4 videos per month and use whatever tools you have at your disposal that will cost you as close to $0 as possible. This can be a cell phone, free editing software on the phone, such as CapCut or iMovie, or even free editing software on computers like DaVinci Resolve. You can use a friend or a relative to hold the camera for you, or go get a $15 tripod from Walmart for your cell phone. If you know a friend or relative who's trying to get into videography or even any kind of photography or cinematography or anything like that, have them help you out. Buy them dinner. However you get it done, as close to $0 as possible, put 4 videos out per month, long form, and chop them into 5 shorts each, and post them on all the platforms, especially YouTube Shorts. Don't forget that. And make sure that you have your YouTube content ID on all of your music before it leaves your distributor and goes to all the platforms. And don't pay a lot for it. In fact, you know what? Pay $0 for YouTube content ID. You'll be able to grow a real and sustainable fan base online in 2025, and you're going to be able to do so for as close to 0 as possible and maximize every single action that you're doing while you're growing by using everything I mentioned in this video. And if you need help trying to lay it all out and get everything organized, I can help you out. If you need to build a strategy, I can help you out. In the description below, you'll find not only the 20% off link for the lander that I talked to you about, but you'll also find a link to book a free one-on-one consultation call with me. In this consultation call, I will build a custom strategy for you, absolutely free. No strings attached. We'll sit and we'll talk one-on-one on a video call, and I'll listen to your goals as well as things you've tried already and maybe even things that you want to try. Then I will build you a custom strategy and give it to you absolutely free. No strings, no credit card needed, nothing like that. But on top of that, I will also give you a free content creation and posting calendar, which is the same calendar that I use when I work one-on-one with all the independent artists that I currently work with. You'll get that absolutely free. And as an extra bonus for meeting with me and allowing me the opportunity to help you build a solid strategy, you also get 4 ChatGPT scripts that I use to generate interest-based, entertaining, and engaging titles and descriptions, as well as metadata tags for your long and short form video content. Again, you'll get that absolutely free. And this is the same scripts that I use with all of the artists that I work with. So if you need help with your marketing, laying out all your strategy, click the link below, hop on a free one-on-one call with me, and let's get your music making sense. Dollars and common. I'll see you later.
Proud of me because my revolutionary faculties got me switching up the game and changing minds. Get them out the system, I'll be saving lives.